Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the speed of a video. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the VN Video Editor application and then add the videos to the timeline here. This is a simple process that you probably already know. Now, the question is, how can you increase the speed of the video? What you need to do is click on the video layer and then scroll through these options. All these options will start from here for you. Here, you will see the speed option. You need to click on it, and then click on regular from here. As soon as you click on regular, you need to increase these options a little. Set it to 1.2x, 1.3x, or even 1.5x. It's up to you. Listen to or watch the video according to your preference. Just make sure that the background audio of the video doesn't get distorted or that no other issue comes up. Once you're satisfied that it's fine at 1.2x or 1.3x speed here, wherever you feel it's right, set it there, and then click on this checkmark option here. In this way, you can adjust the speed of any video. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.